Daddy. Now, we're just making some donuts.
We're getting ready to bake some donuts. Coconut milk. I love these little bake with me videos. It's so fun. I feel like I'm like hanging out with my girlfriends and like a fall day and we're like baking yummy treats. It's so fun. So it said unsalted butter, but I don't have that, so I'm just using the salted. Salt, vanilla. I think we have all our ingredients. We have lots of secret storage spaces in this motorhome, and this is one of them. We keep some of our bowls. We've got my Instant Pot and my donut mold. If you guys are wondering what that noise is, it's Storm's noise machine, or shusher. We call it a shusher. Anytime I like get like a bunch of ingredients out to bake or cook, I always feel like a little witch, like making my little potions with all my little bottles and a little bit of this, a little bit of that. Don't you guys ever feel like a witch, or is it just me? Like making magic potions that we keep. Like, I love mason jars. I literally could use mason jars for everything. They're like the greatest thing ever, and I just think they're really pretty and can make anything look good. So like a bunch of, you know, kitchen utensils, I just stick them in a mason jar and put them in the cabinet to like kind of make everything like where we know where everything is. So I'm just pulling out my little spatula. So I'll have 2 bowls to mix the dry ingredients and the wet ingredients. I don't normally do that. I normally just throw everything in together, but honestly, I've been trying to like follow recipes the way they're supposed to be done, because I feel like it might make them better, especially like something like donuts. I really want them to be like squishy and fluffy, like the Krispy Kreme donuts. I'm like, oh, those are so good, and I want to try to recreate them. Flaxseed meal. Can I help you with something? Because we're not hooked up to power. That way I can use the microwave to melt the butter. It's got 8 tablespoons of butter. Okay. Did the train wake you? Sorry, honey. Did the train wake you up? Hi, sweetheart. Okay, let me get you some more milk, okay? Got some helpers, my little sous chefs. Mix it up, babies.
I think it can come out.
What's gonna come out?
No.
Mix, mix, mix. Mix, mix. Okay, we're gonna make a little hole in the middle for the wet ingredients. Ow! Don't hit me. Why are you crying? What's wrong? So, don't. Careful, careful. Hey, don't put your hands in there. Stir, 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 stir. Stir, 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 stir. Yeah! Woo! Get it, girl. Get it, boy. Yeah, yeah. Get stirring. Get baking. You could do it. Woo, woo. Go, kids. You're awesome. Yeah, let's hype you up for this baking time. Bake it, baby. Bake it. Ooh, Snow, I like your moves. Yeah, get into it. All right, Storm, come on. Go, Storm. Go, Storm. Go, Storm. Go, Storm. I see you rocking back and forth to the beat. Snow's got the dry ingredients. Boom. Storm's got the wet ingredients. Boom. Are we ready to mix them together? What do you think, Dad?
Yeah.
Woo-hoo. Go, mixer. Go, mixer. Yeah. Woohoo! You guys are having so much fun. I love it. Let's get this party started. Let's let our hair down. Woo! Yeah! Let's bake. Let's bake. Let's bake. Let's bake. Let's bake. You guys baking at home with us? If not, you should be. Ingredients in the middle. Whoa, cool. Let's make sure we get everything out on the sides. And that looks good. All right. So you sure can mix it. All right, mix it up, girl.
Do it.
Don't eat it. Whoa, whoa, whoa. Okay. All right.
Good
Yeah,
job.
that was very good.
Good
Snow.
job, sweetie.
All right. All right. You play with those. Oh, no. Look, you have all these things to play with. Here's another one.
I'm mixing it, a girl.
Here, you want to play with your sensory bin? Got your Halloween sensory bin.
Mom, can you get that?
Ooh, now you can take this, Storm, and go like this.
Mom, can you
All my treasures. Okay. Yeah, I'll take this one and you take the other one. Okay, stir it up. Woo woo. Hey, Trap. You go,
I'm
girl.
mixing it, and they have curls.
You do have curls. They're beautiful. You got little pigtails in. Mommy loves your hair in pigtails. You just look so cute in them.
You can mix this side.
Oh, thank you. Do we want to show them your little cat toe? Snow got a little cat on her toe. Let me see.
I know that you know. Yeah.
It is. Look at that cute little toe. Baking is so much fun. I wish when I was little I baked with my mom.
I can't do it.
You've always...
I'm a doctor.
You can do anything you want to do in your life. Don't you let anybody tell you different. Okay? You can do anything, Snow.
Do it, girl. Do it, girl. Go.
Do it, girl. Do it, girl. Okay. Things are looking great. I'm getting very excited about these donuts. Trav just helped us turn the oven on because you have to like light it to turn it on because it's like an RV oven.
Do it, girl. Do it, girl. Do it, girl.
That's right. Do it, girl. Go right here. And I will link where I got this down below. I love it. Works great. You don't have to like spray it because it's silicone, so it just like pops right out. Alright. And then once we get the donuts into, oh hi buddy. Once we get the donuts in the oven, they're gonna bake for 8 to 10 minutes at 350 degrees. While they're baking, we're going to go ahead and make the glaze frosting for the donuts.
Little Bubs. What's going on?
And I'm so proud of you for being such an amazing little baker. When you get a little bit older, You're gonna be able to bake all by yourself.
Right.
You can make mommy some yummy treats and we can share them.
Not eating that. Over here.
I made the kids these little Halloween sensory bins. They're great for like driving, although, you know, they do make a mess, so you gotta just know that. But these are just black beans and then orange lentils that we mixed together. And then we got little, like, you know, Halloween things that they already had. Little scoopers, that's like, good job, honey. Little pom-poms and, like, you know, spider rings. These little pipe cleaner things and, you know, just stuff for them to play. And then we also give them, like, little spoons, you know, so that they can, like...
That makes it so well.
Woo woo! Go girl. Do you love your Halloween sensory bins?
Yeah.
They're fun, huh? So they're great like when they're in their car seats and we're traveling on like long road trips and stuff. And it's fun because you can like make them however you want, and they're great little activities that keep them busy for long periods of time. But yeah, they do spill, so just know that. And the beans are easy to clean up. I don't like doing rice because that's a little bit harder. And then the little lentils, we just like vacuum them up.
That makes it so well.
Woohoo! And then when they're done, we can actually use the beans to cook because, you know, you boil them and it kills any like stuff. So, and then we just store them on top of each other like that. So, fun little DIY, little Halloween DIY project for your kids. Woo! Yeah, you're getting muscles. Let me see those muscles. Whoa. Let me see your muscles, Snow. Wow. Good job. All right. It was so fun baking with the family.
Mm-hmm.
You excited for the donuts?
No.
Why?
Because I'm not going to eat them. Okay, here we got one last scoop. Okay, scoop it, drop, push it in. Careful, because this is like, should be kind of okay right here. But it's jelly or some noodles or anything. I'm just trying to get stuff organized first. Is this stuff dirty? Or sorry, are you holding top?
Yeah, I don't know, you'd have to look at it. We're gonna cut the bag right here so that we can...
You broke it.
Well, I broke it because we're gonna...
I was gonna squeeze it in.
What?
Can I do it?
Sure, you can help me.
Or maybe I can do it with a trash can.
Okay.
It's just like your boob.
Silly Snow Rose.
Hi, Abby. Now, we're just making some donuts
That's right.
with our family.
No, yes we are, honey.
We did it. We didn't do it a whole time.
We're making them from scratch.
That's good. We did it.
Squeeze it so tight. Ah.
Oh.
Okay, that's good. Now hold on, we're gonna go to the next one.
Whoa. Close. Whoa, that was really far.
You're doing a great job. Okay, let's do another one over here.
Wow.
Thanks for helping me.
I'm so strong.
Wow, you're really strong. Oh no, honey, your poor little cough. Wow. Oh, wow. You're awesome, Snow.
Oh, you got it on your finger.
That's okay, I'll clean it later.
Close.
Yeah, I'm gonna get a couple. This is okay like this.
Hey, sweetheart. Right here, lovey. Okay, things get a little messy when you have a toddler. So we're gonna try to clean some of this up.
What's going on? What's going on? Why are you so sad here?
Good job, honey.
You washed your hands. You're all good.
That.
All right.
Ow.
was great. Okay, now we're gonna get ready to put them in the oven to bake them. Okay, so why don't you hop off the trash can so I can put this in the trash.
And
Then we're gonna make the glaze. Blend it up a little bit.
show
And
me.
can you see them?
Yeah.
What do you think? Do they look good? Are you ready to put them in the oven to bake them?
Can you just smell?
You want to smell them? Okay. Smell good? Mmm. Can I have a kiss? Oh, wow, that was a good one.
I got it for love in my heart.
Oh, you have a lot of love in your heart. You are such a sweetie pie.
That's a heart.
It is. Okay, hold it like this and don't touch any buttons and just watch. Film mommy putting this in. Can you do that?
Yeah.
Okay, and
Whoa, Dad.
Got him.
Dad.
careful, that's really hot, okay? Watch out. All right, we'll put it in the oven, bake it, set our alarm.
Everyone, Snow, come over here. Watch, stop, let go of Mom, please. Go over and watch one of your shows. Do not pull on Mom. Very simple. Storm, I don't know what you need, dude. I've given you water, all kinds of different stuff. Here, you're just wandering around, just miserable and angry or something. Okay?
I'm sweating hot.
I know, it's really hot. Daddy says we can't turn the air on, so.
Pop the breaker, so. Be able to use it when we're driving if we need it. You know, we won't gotta have all these windows open. Alright, and you do? What's going on, dude?
Can I do it?
Yeah, honey, you can pour it in once I get the measurement out.
Dude, you have this right here, bud.
Can you just some
Come
stuff?
on.
And can you get?
Don't touch. Ready? Pour it. Oh, don't wipe it on me.
I'm a grossy joke.
You are a little grossy Josie. Okay, now we are going to do another. Nope, don't touch, because it's going to get really messy, okay?
It's just like snow.
It is like snow, but it's dry instead of wet.
Whoa.
Okay, you want to put that one in?
Yeah.
Okay.
Wow.
Wow, good job. That was fun, huh? Okay, don't touch. Remember what I said? Because it gets really messy on your hands. Lick it. What do you think?
It looks yummy.
It's sugar. Powdered sugar. What's the matter, buddy? You having a hard time? Here, do you want to try some
Storm.
powdered sugar, Storm D?
Here, Storm.
Here. Let's let Storm try some. Try some sugar? Here. No. Mmm, so sweet. Oh, okay, that's enough. You're gonna get sugar high, little girl.
Storm, come here. I'm gonna try and give him some more food. I don't. He's just
Okay.
set it up. Everything.
Alright, buddy, you wanna help me stir it up?
Mom, whoa. Sorry, a crash in this car.
Storm's boogers are gonna be in our donuts. What do you think about that? You want boogers in your donuts?
No.
Okay, hold on, wait. Yeah, a little bit more milk, just a little bit. Oh, okay. A little bit more, okay. And hold on, I'm gonna do a little stirring and then you can do the rest, okay? Ooh, that looks good. Okay, careful, dude. I don't want you to. Okay, go ahead. Oh, that is the timer for our donuts, so we can check on them. But in the meantime, this is what our glaze is looking like.
I think your phone, it goes.
Yeah, it was ringing a little bit.
It was.
Let's Dawn's helping me film. Okay.
Oh.
All right. The oven is very hot.
Yeah, it's here. Come here, Bubs.
Let's check on the donuts. Those are looking good.
Butter jelly? No? Okay. One.
I think it's just like snow.
We have a nice little mess to clean up.
Can I go on this one, Snow?
All right, now we're doing a little cleanup. Putting everything away, washing everything. Oh, okay, timer's done. Time to pull the donuts out.
Some of the pasta.
Ooh. Okay, be really
Okay,
careful.
watch out, Snow. It's very hot.
Wow! Little bit of circle.
Okay, so I did it for 10 minutes, but we are in an RV motorhome, so just going to, yeah, it's not quite ready yet. So you know it's not ready if the toothpick comes out and it's not clean, then we got to bake it a little bit longer. So I'm gonna stick that back in maybe for another 3 minutes and bake it a little bit longer. Travis putting the slides in because we're getting ready to head to our next location. It's always fun putting the slides in and out. Okay, I am just... Hey, you guys, be sweet to each other, okay?
No, you're in line.
Oh, honey, he's just laying on his little pillow.
But no, line. No, in line.
If I didn't use like wet ingredients, I will and it's just dry stuff, I'll just go like this with a rag, and then that way we don't waste water because we're not hooked up to water, so it's not like your typical baking, you know? Snow, be sweet to your brother. Okay, let's practice kindness and love. That's not nice. You're trapping them.
What's going on?
That's scary for
You guys? Snow? What are you doing? Hey, No. Okay, Snow, look out.
practice kindness, love.
Snow? Don't do that with your brother, okay?
Look a little bit more
Are
ready.
you ready? We're ready.
Okay, now they're ready, I think.
Special in my heart.
Oh, they're special in your heart.
And my heart is not cracking. Okay, and my done.
All right, so we're gonna let those cool down.
Anything
I'm
else
just putting
for
all
now,
the
but it
clean
sounds
dishes
like,
away.
Everything. What's going on, man?
Kids are loving these Halloween cups. I went to a different Walmart and they didn't have them because they light up. They're so cool, and they were only like $1.98, and I think they're so fun for Halloween time for the kids. Okay, I think these are cooled down enough for me to pop them out. Oh my god, I think I just made the perfect donut. That is one perfect, beautiful looking donut. And it's like squishy and everything. I'm excited for this. Okay. They're beautiful. Oh, the kids are gonna love these. And I can't wait to I mean, eating them like this, you totally could because they're like really sweet and delicious, but I'm gonna add that frosting. This is what they look like. Don't mind the paper plate. We are camping with no water. So I'm gonna give this a quick little stir up.
All of these from Scummies.
I hope not.
All the babies.
Okay, that was not nice if you ate all of Baby Storm's gummies.
Okay? You can have some in a little bit when you're good. You don't take his gummies. Baby Storm, did you drop one? So, stop. Okay?
Is what it's looking like, and I don't mean to toot my own horn, but it looks freaking beautiful. These, I got these from Walmart.
Okay. Yes.
Can I just put on that? Thank you so much, Mom.
You're welcome so much, honey. I'm so happy you like them. What's the verdict? Is it pretty good? You want to take a bite? Let me see you take a bite.
Okay.
You like it? Is it delicious? You helped me bake it. Good job. Thumbs up. Now I'm going to do a little taste test.
Delicious.
It is delicious. They're super soft and squishy. Probably could have baked it a little bit longer because they're falling apart a little bit, but they're so good. I hate saying the word, but they're moist and like squishy and delicious. And the frosting, like glaze, came out great. You're welcome, babe.
You're the best, Mom.
Thank you. I'm gonna let Storm have a little taste. Is it good? I think Storm likes it too. Okay, happy kids. Well, I hope that you guys enjoyed baking with us today. If you want to see more videos like this one, let me know. If you guys have any requests of stuff to make, let me know down in the comments. I'm sending you all my love and all my positive energy, and I hope to see you in my next video. Mwah.